Welcome back. In this video, we're going to answer 3 questions by using Perpendicular Bisector Theorem and its converse. Recall Perpendicular Bisector Theorem. It says in a plane, if a point is on the perpendicular bisector of a segment, then it's equidistant from the endpoints of the segment. Let's look at this example. It is given line JK is a perpendicular bisector of segment NL. So K is on the perpendicular bisector, and we say bisect. I'm going to give a different color. 1 tick mark, 1 tick mark, bisect. And this is perpendicular, and K is on line JK. Therefore, by perpendicular bisector theorem, Kn and Kl have equal distance. So we're going to say Kn, ask us to find the 2 segments. We're going to say Kn and Kl. All right, ask us to find Nk. Since Kn and Kl have equal length, we can set it as Kn is 6x minus 5. KL is 4x plus 1. We're going to plus 5 each side, minus 4x each side. Let's clean up. We have 2x equals 6. X is 3. If x is 3, we're going to find Nk. Nk says 6 times 3 minus 5. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 minus 5, that is 13. This is a question 2. We done 1, we done 2. Let's look at question 3. Question 3 asks us, is point M on line JK? Let's recall converse of perpendicular bisector theorem. In the plane, if a point is equidistant from the endpoints of a segment, let's pause. Did you see a point M? M to L and M to N, they are equidistant. Why? Because ML equals MN equals 8. So tells us these two guys are equidistant. Now, let's continue. In a plane, if a point is equidistant from the endpoints of segment, then it is on the perpendicular bisector of a segment. And we can say yes. Because what? Because it is by converse of perpendicular bisector theorem. That's it. Happy learning.